You may want to remove the screen lock from your iPhone for some reason. In this video, we'll show you 2 efficient tips to turn off screen lock on iPhone. Keep watching and remember to subscribe to our channel. In the first tip, we will show you how to turn off screen lock on iPhone. Go to Settings to find Face ID and Passcode. Tap to turn passcode off. Enter the passcode to turn it off. In the second tip, we will show you how to turn off screen lock on iPhone if forgot passcode. Run any unlock on PC or Mac and connect iPhone via USB cable. Select Unlock Screen Passcode feature. Next, click Start Now and download firmware. Click Unlock Now. Wait for a few minutes, the screen passcode will be removed from your device. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel to get more tips.